Good morning, ma'am. What would you like to buy?
Good morning. The mangoes look nice. How much?
150 yen per kilo. Very sweet, first of the season.
That's a bit high. Can you make it 120?
120 is too low. How about 140?
Okay, then give me 2 kilos.
Sure. 2 kilos of mangoes. Anything else?
Yes. How much are the tomatoes?
90 yen per kilo.
Too much. I'll pay 70.
Ma'am, I'll go hungry at 70. Let's say 80.
All right, 80 is fine. 1 kilo, please.
Done. Do you need onions?
Yes. How much?
80 yen per kilo.
Make it 70 if I buy 2 kilos.
Okay, for you, 70. 2 kilos.
Thank you. And bananas?
60 yen a bunch.
I'll take 1 bunch.
All right. So mangoes, tomatoes, onions, and bananas.
Yes. How much in total?
Let's see. It comes to 540 yen.
Make it 500. I'm a regular customer.
Okay. 500 it is.
Here you go. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Come again. Tomorrow I'll have fresh cucumbers.
I will. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye. Good morning, ma'am. Welcome. What are you looking for today?
Good morning. I need some kitchen items.
Of course. Please tell me.
Do you have steel bowls?
Yes, many sizes. Small, medium, and big. Which one do you want?
Show me medium ones.
Here, ma'am. This set has 6 bowls. Strong quality.
Looks good. How much?
Only 700 yen for the set.
Okay. I'll take 1 set. Do you also have forks and spoons?
Yes, ma'am. Here is a nice stainless steel set. 12 spoons and 12 forks.
They look nice. How much for this set?
850 yen, very good quality. It will last long.
I'll take it. And do you have containers for rice or flour?
Yes, we have airtight containers. Plastic and steel. Which one do you want?
Plastic is fine. Show me medium size.
Here, ma'am. 5-liter capacity. Very useful.
Good. How much?
550 yen each.
Okay, I'll take 2.
Great choice. So, 1 bowl set, 1 fork spoon set, and 2 containers.
Yes. How much total?
700 plus 850 plus 1100. Total is 650 yen.
That's a little high. Can you give me some discount?
Ma'am, prices are already low. But for you, I can make it 2,550.
Come on, make it 2,400. I'm a regular customer.
Ah, ma'am, you bargain well. Okay, final 2,450, not less.
All right, deal. Pack everything.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks for coming.
Thank you. I'll come again.
Sure, have a nice day.
Hello, welcome. Looking for something special today?
Hi, yes, I need new shoes. Something comfortable but also nice.
Of course. Do you want casual shoes or formal?
Casual. Maybe for daily use, walking, going out.
Okay, let me show you. These are very popular. Light and soft.
This one looks good. Can I try size 38?
Yes, one moment. Here you go.
Oh, they feel nice. Very light.
Yes, many customers like them. Good quality.
Do you have this in black color?
Yes, I'll bring it.
Oh, black looks better. Easy to match with clothes.
Exactly. And it's easy to clean.
How much for this pair?
2,500 yen.
That's a bit high. Can you make it 2,000?
Oh, no, madam. 2,500 is already a good price.
Come on, I'm a good customer. Please give me a little discount.
Okay, for you. 2,300, final.
2,200 and I'll take them now.
Alright. 2,200, only because you asked nicely.
Thank you. I'll take the black pair.
Great choice. Let me pack them for you.
Thanks. I'll come again next time.
Please do. Have a nice day.